Enti se we stakeholder from media, FA, clubs no, obi bia o stakeholder bia no. And my taking comfort done for granted. Simple. Oh yeah there. And comfort ni jade na wo ye no. Ye ni ye. Na omani nye hu ye. Simple. Enti eye security sem and I say a da paso. Anya hwe kra no, ye nwa pole free mu no. Obia wode na no ato nkomo we mu asema o kan say yemma pole wo no enyina ho ma bibi. Which is say your security at your various venues no ye be shemu kina na say rich if we are able to go the rest of the season na ye ko next season next 2 seasons na nyame ma ye nkwana in the next 2 years rich ye di nkomo for football na ye ka say if you say pole free mu no your security around your games no improve ya rich, then that will be good to the memory of Yenyano. And that is the expectation of Obia.
And then Emma Obi Coseduma. Oh, ya doubt to be a
yes.
Or call it food them.
Yes.
Me Coseduma Cohebo me back.
Exactly. And for us here, ya can say the biggest respect I bet in the Maya Pole memory. I had the reforms on your security. Anyhow, permanent and practical. A bit me improve your more bearding one that says, a free Saturday way coide. We've seen massive improvement. Our the way I see a boy security who buy. And I mean, the Ghana Police Service are appointed regional security officers. I are signing on to every region. And to see a bobo, Bruno have original. Sa ACP way and on share stadium and as a sports security so obe make sure say personal so do I was say mo call or ma call rules also mo play or how baby I was say checking ni bibia no. Look, these are the kind of improvements na ye nyina ye ehwehwe enti me de me nkasa bebre people have shown the product love ever back no and my emphasize our done for granted. Na yenye di omo so pomo omo se na ebe improve omo do e the way omo see afa league me also say nay say we akotoko bo game ochina they've started putting out flyers has a big announcement e obabia about any game omo bo against young apostles. Obia is trying to call the supporters no say omo sorry no omo say me support you omo say ofre omo dia make sure you also at the right side of Nyoma say the be omo ba enko bon omo nu. Okay, it's as simple as
me
that.
ade ba kwa me de pa ye clubs na say security arrangement ye gide free omo say no o jama clubs na there be security labs is beba now Yama the Ghana Police Service not take you over.
Say
police depending on all region.
Yes, they own more responsibility to your football stadium. Yes.
The security no so BBI is okay.
Of course.
And idea.
Very important.
Fibra na before I be shake game to the na. Into also expectations. Brand League as I bounce back, especially with our safety and then our security protocols no.
Oh my media rich. You see a cast safety any idea ye casting stone say one ABCD and one safety and Nyoma be brave. And what we can do is to make sure say the building blocks of safety, the general safety concepts never to them. Say never nipa bit my show we see it is for me very important. Nature America sound is a rich. I understand say GFE regulators and someone insisted to be very honest. So we share a in the reports that we've had from the committee and inspection. There are certain parts that we will not shout it. We can't say it could have been better. But I also understand as a human being and as somebody who practices in this job and they say clubs have been insistent on the FA. Any football regulators, they say they want the games to come back. And you see, for the general outlook of the game, a little bit not so good. Say, Yebema players not check, so the players will get rusty. Clubs will lose card, the investment and stuff. It makes sense. In fact, in terms of doing the cost benefit analysis, now it's more important to play the games now than to be And like I said, security in itself, and yet 1 + 1 is equal to 2. A long-term thing. Even if we give ourselves 6 months, it's not something that we'll just But Rich, what is important? The onus of responsibility of what clubs. Because when the issue of Yenya, your Francis Yafrimpo, free me a kind, yes, every club will be a supporter. Near or yet to trust them, the clubs know them.
Mommy and Channel.
Only baby, free. Oh, dear, you check crampona. Before that happens, admonish them. Only your monkasa. And more club, no. Oh, what club, neka. You waste this car.
Let's reduce.
Yes.
Rules on the day.
Exactly.
They are part of match day plan. Oh, yeah, planning for game now. Yeah, space. Oh, you're criticizing as part of your match day culture. That is what Fifi is.
No, I'm on the kiss. Say half time. No, affect you.
Yes. To trust them. Be a referee because you have 3 points.
Because Rich, I didn't. You know, free money. Man, you hear me? Who's sa? Who's sa? Iti we be a drone. O class when I was here, famra, yeah, diaba. Iti you adwuma. Say the bear, benya all of these things. Be na on some make say oh, and yet tifie, and ye place ye rusty, and ye tiomoka because at the end of the day, ye kwa benina essence mo amonaso. So Rich, for me, that's the most important thing. Born idiots, we are waiting for a catch up. There is a lot for the game. People love the game. People love the game. Only there Kotokobo, Legon Cities, we are about 2 away games. One of them is going to the Brown Half region again. To bring nostalgic feeling. And the name of Bibeba, the Hianis or called there will be mutual respect in your reduces animal. Anyone who ya. Send a bear your body bit me.
Okay, I think you're clubs, no. I'm also prepared.